Hey everyone, let's make what some people call the OG of mocktails, the Shirley Temple. Alright, to start this one off, ice in your glass. You're going to use 15 ml of your grenadine, followed by 7 ml of your lime juice, freshly squeezed, and then just top that with ginger ale. OG of mocktails. And this is one you can sip with Granny.
Hello, Joe.
You can add a little bit of vodka for yourself if you want as well. And for Granny.
Hello, Joe.
She's had a few more than you in your life, I bet. Anyway, pop on a little cherry on top, and you are on your way. Cheers. How do I drink it, eh?